Food Success by Coach Liza Lasao. Take it away, Coach. Good morning.
Hello, good morning everyone. Parang nag-e-echo. Hindi.
Hindi naman. I just
Ah.
like the lips.
Hindi, bukas kasi FB Live sa likod ko. Anyway, ayan, good morning po. Ako po, nag-e-echo talaga sa akin. Hindi nag-e-echo sa inyo, ha? Okay.
Meron
Please, dapat meron pa record na lang.
Ha?
Kasi kung hindi natin na-launch yung live,
Ipapasok ko muna yung ano. Give me 2 minutes, ipapasok ko sa kwarto yung laptop na nag-FB Live, ha? Sandali lang po.
ayun, meron pala, okay.
Ayan. Sorry. Ayan. Para umpisahan po natin, ako po ang inyong coach ngayon, ang inyong magsasalita tungkol sa ating topic today. I'm Coach Liza Lasao. And ang resulta po, yung brief history ko noon, product ko noon. Sumali po kasi ako sa weight loss challenge before sa office, na ang sabi nga, ang nakapuko ng attention ko was yung sinabi ng coach na magkakaroon niya ng effect sa health, no? Yung magandang health, ganyan, hindi lang basta papayat. So, yun yung sa akin. So, anong ginamit ko, no? While doing the weight loss challenge, hindi ko minamind talaga yung weight loss challenge. What I did, I take the product, the aloe tea and shake, and all the more, yung ibang product, like yung, sabi ko nga, I'm 50 plus nung mag-umpisa ako, ginamit ko na po yung Lifeline, yan po, the Nightworks, Mega Garlic, and especially the Cell Complex. Ano po? NRG. Kasi yun yung mga, kumbaga, feel mo, yung gamit mo, umepekto talaga sa'yo. Kaya sabi ko, this is it. No po? Kasi nga, before Herbalife, ang trabaho ko po is talking to people on the phone. Nakakapagod. Ano po? Although, masaya sa work, pero yung pala, nakakapagod na ang nagsasuffer nun yung health ko, no? Na wala kang pahinga din. Yun nga, sabi nga, masama din pala yung walang pahinga. Kahit masaya ka, pag wala kang pahinga, hindi rin maganda. Na po. So, yun ang hindi ko gusto sa trabaho ko before. Pero, ano ba yung effect sa akin, binigay ng Herbalife sa akin? Yung energy, nang ma-feel ko yung effect ng Herbalife sa akin, the energy, ano po, I'm 66 actually, magsi-67 na next few months, 2 months actually, ang nabigay niya sa akin is talaga yung healthy aging, no po, yung nakakalakad ka pa ng malayo, nakaka 10,000 steps pa. Tuwan-tuwa ako at nagagawa ko na people of my age, yung iba, no po, hindi naman natin nagigets, no po. Kaya nga sabi natin, tulungan natin din yung mga nagkakaedad na akala nila katapusan na ng mundo sa health. Hindi pala. Pwede palang mag-umpisa now. No po, at their age, kung anumang age level nila, pwede palang mag-umpisa para mabigyan tayo ng magandang health. Ano po? Yan. And sabi ko nga, yan, para din matuto yung ating mga members kung pwedeng sumama, no? Ikayatin natin sila na mag-qualify sa darating na extravaganza sa May. Kasi isa yun sa napakalaking bagay o napakalaking event na na-attendan ko na nagbigay sa akin din ng kaalaman, no po? Nagkaroon ka, nag-gain ka ng so much friends, family, dito sa Herbalife talaga kasi family. Herbalife is family. Ano po? Masaya ka dahil may family ka sa Herbalife. Okay? Pagising sa umaga, ayan sila. Yan. Okay? And then, to start with our program, with our topic ngayon, these 3 strategies will ensure your food success. Ano po? Sabi nga, kailan ka ba sinabi mo sa sarili mo na hindi ka kakain ng junk food? No po? Pero afterwards, nakita mo sarili mo nasa drive-thru. Okay? Which is mali, no? Kasi kailan ka ba, nag-grab ka ba ng easiest thing to eat even if it's not yung hindi naman healthy sa'yo? Kasi nga, yun pagising mo, yun ang nakukuha mo. Don't worry, ano po, yung even the strictest healthy eaters succumb to those behaviors occasionally. Hindi kayo nag-iisa kung sino mang tinamaan dyan. Ako. Ayan, and when it comes to nourishing eating habit, yung pagiging perfectionist, hindi naman, yun unhealthy, unideal din yan, hindi din siya healthy. Po? The key to healthy eating is to develop a long-term strategies for being prepared during busy working hours, and cooking isn't always an option. Ano pa? We'll chop this article. Ano po itong article na to? We will chop it into 3 components: being prepared, developing solid mentality, and rerouting craving. So for the first strategy, next slide please. Ayan, ito pa. Next slide natin, yung number 1 is the healthy eating ideas or the preparing for the week ahead. Ano po? Ayan, sabi nga dito, preparing can help you have healthy meals and snack no matter how busy things get. Preparing can save time, money, and reduce food waste. Okay? Your week is demanding and you wish you could endure, or isip mo makakagawa ka ng healthy bites at the snap of your fingers. Okay? Breakfast before leaving the house is usually smooth, but last weekend was busy and you faltered, or nawawala po yung momentum natin, yung promise natin sa sarili natin na gagawa tayo ng meal prepping. So what to do for lunch, and what about dinner after an exhausting day sa job natin? Yung above scenario po, yung nasabi ko, and what I've said clearly identifies the importance of preparedness as primary factor for a successful week with food. Okay? So, if you have nutritious meals and snack, and delicious ones at that, on hand and ready to go, you're less likely to seek out unhealthy food. Kasi pag ready tayo, kumbaga naka-prepare tayo, guys. Kasi nahahawa natin ang ating children pag nagpi-prepare tayo. Kumbaga nakakaroon din sila ng idea na kailangan pala ganito kakainin natin. With mommy's help or ate's help, kuya's help, nagkakaroon sila ng idea what to eat. But what to prepare. On the next slide, we'll show you some lunch and snack ideas sure to get your taste buds singing and energy level soaring or increase rapidly above its usual levels. Ano po? Yan. Yan po yung mga healthy eating ideas preparing for the week ahead. No po? Makikita nyo, pwede nyo pong i-screenshot kasi nga mga yan you have to prepare them, no? Yan po, at saka yung that is the lunch ideas, the temper sandwiches, the simple stir fry, lentil pasta, and on the next slide, ito po yung snack ideas naman. Carrot sticks, sprouted beans. We hope these ideas comes in handy and spark some other ideas. Remember to buy and make enough for dinner too. Kasi minsan po, masama din pala yung, okay, maganda yung kinain mo, pero pag sobra naman ng kain, hindi pa rin. No? Kailangan talaga magkakaroon tayo ng mga steps or kung paano magagawin. Sa next slide po, makikita niyo yun, meron tayo ditong 6 steps preparing meals ahead. Yan po, screenshot niyo po. Nakuha ko yan sa isang article na maganda naman kung makikita niyo. Yan po. Meron siyang check what you have, what ingredients you already have in your cupboard, fridge, or freezer. May Formula 1, tea, and alo na madaling gawin, no? Lalo na tayo mga coaches, natuturo natin kung paano enjoyin, how magkakaroon siya ng mga protein balls, mga gano'n, nabibigay natin sa ating customers and family at that, yung magaganda. Yan. And sa next 2 slides naman po, yun yung mga simple samples ng healthy meals and snack ideas that you can enjoy. Yan. And the other one po, sa susunod na slide, ayan yung isa pa na mga baked quinoa with spinach and feta. Yan. Kumbaga nagkakaroon tayo sa herbalife.com po, makikita nyo napakaraming recipe na healthy. Mamimili kayo kung gusto nyo yung bonggang-bongga na madami pang ingredients or simple lang para mas maganda ba sa katawan. Nakukuha mo yung kailangan mo, especially those na into losing weight. Kailangan talaga mindful tayo sa kinakain natin para maging successful and bukas makalawa, maging thankful ka na I did it. Yan. Okay po. Ayan. Sa atin namang sorry po. Sa second strategy, yung mental preparation or getting in the mindset to eat well. Yan, yung hamburger na nga, nag-iisip siya ng alternative. Kakainin ba niya yung hamburger o yung gulay na nandito lang sa tabing iniisip niya? Ano po? Ang sabi niya, kasi nga po, knowing what you want to eat is only half the battle. No po? Kailangan ano ka rin, bumili, magluto, at kumain ng tama. No po? Making better food choices is a matter of habit. Kailangan ma-develop natin ang habit into good eating habit. No po? What helps with habit cultivation is bringing your why front and back and center ng katawan mo. Kailangan po maging aware ka, no? Kahit anong gawin mo, dapat aware ka. Thinking about what you want to eat better on the daily. Are you trying to save money? Do you want to feel better so you can achieve more in your work and personal life? Of course, di ba? If you stop and think about it, having more money and energy is a transformational combo. Couple that with the time you'll save by meal prepping. Na po. Kasi kahit may prepara ka, bili ka ng bili, akala mo healthy. Whereas kung nagpe-prepare ka, no, sa isip mo, ito nga, mas maganda ba yung hamburger o mag-prepare ng gulay? Matagal gamitin. Pero kung inaayos mo yung utak mo na kailangan ganito, mas maganda, no po? Yan, having these chats with yourself can get you in the mindset to eat clean. Ano po, yan. Accountability helps or someone you can talk to get help. Yung help, no? Kapatid, ano ba ang dapat maganda? Coach, ano ba talagang magandang kainin? Ano ba po ang dapat kong ilagay dito sa mga ganito, ganyan-ganyan na food natin, no? Ayan, so mas maganda po yung make accountability partner. Tell your friends and family you want to eat well consistently and they might just jump on board with you. Ayan, meron kaming kasama. Ayan, go come with us. Ganyan. Kasi kumbaga, minsan napapansin mo, inalok mo, hindi naman gusto. Pero once na na-realize nila na getting yung mindset mo to eat well, napapao mo sila. And on the next slide are tips on how to develop a healthy mindset about eating. Ayan, o di ba po, ang gaganda ng nakasulat natin. Ayan, eat. Kasi daw, wag kang kakain ng bigla, yung maraming bigla. Masama daw pala yon. So ayan, nakatusulan dyan. Eat every 2 hours. Include more fresh fruits. Make a cheat date, no? Pwede naman tayo mag-cheat date is. Kaya lang sabi nga, in moderation. Okay? Yung sleep, importante po na ang sleep natin. And avoid yung dieting. Kasi yung dieting, hindi mo alam kung tama ba yung dieting mo. Kaya pinakamaganda lagi talaga, magko-consult ka sa coaches natin. Na po, para ano bang ginawa ko? Tama ba yung ginawa ko, coach? Kasi kung meron kang accountability partner or your coach, maaayos yung gusto mong gawin sa sarili mo. Okay po? Ayan, on the next slide naman po, yan, yung third natin, how to crave the food your body needs. Ano po, sabi dito, there are physiological reasons why we crave or desire for junk food. Yung researchers po ay think that we eat alter change our gut microbiota. Gut microbes can send signals through the nervous system and affect our cravings. So, kailangan daw talaga yung iisipin natin, tama lang. Ano? Aside from the science stuff, most junk food contains large amount of sodium. Gets nyo po yun. No po, most junk foods, kumbaga 99% talaga ng junk foods contains, no po, nagkakaroon sila ng salt. Ano po, maraming salt na kumbaga hindi natin kailangan, like mga chips na hindi naman natin kailangan. Ano po, this combo can join center yung nervous system natin, setting the pace for similar behaviors in the future. How? Kasi yung bad habit, no po, pag nagkaroon kayo ng bad habit in eating, ang hirap pong ibalik doon sa tama. Ano po? Luckily, there are ways to deconstruct cravings. Essential means getting the things your body craves through healthy sources. No po? For example, a healthy morning smoothie, na yan, nasa picture po na mamimili kayo kung anong flavor, and could contain carbs from a banana. See, may banana pa. But from an avocado, you can use avocado and a bit of sea salt for taste. No po? And then it can be made delicious with other additions like cocoa powder and raw honey. Na po. Pwede naman tayong gumamit ng ganun. Pero sabi ko nga, kasi minsan yung iba gusto malasang-malasang. Moderation po. Yung bang sanayin natin ang sarili natin sa masarap pero konti lang na po. Parang tikman mo lang para lang hindi ka mag-crave, hindi ka magkaroon ng pagnanasang kumain ng todo-todo. Patikimin mo ang sarili mo ng masarap naman. Paminsan-minsan, but konti lang. Moderation. Ayan. Ito po. Ang makakatulong naman po, ang next slide po natin ay makakatulong to stop the cravings for unhealthy food and sugar. Ang 11, ano po yan, drink water, eat more protein, distance yourself from cravings. Ano po to? Actually, may copy po ako nito. Ini-screenshot ko kung ano na to. Kinuha ko po yung healthline.com na okay lang siya, no? Maganda yung laman niya. Ano po? Ayan, get enough sleep, eat proper meals, don't go to the supermarket hungry. Totoo po yan. Huwag kayo pupunta sa supermarket ng hungry kasi meron din kainan sa supermarket and you ought to eat food na hindi mo kailangan. Hindi kailangan ng katawan mo. Okay po? Practice mindful eating always. Okay. Screenshot nyo po yan. Have it as a guide. And the next slide, ayan po. Next slide na natin. Okay lang po. Ayan, all those mentioned strategies backed with good nutrition led us to receive these awards of being the #1 in the world in meal replacement and protein supplement combined, weight management and well-being, and active lifestyle nutrition. Meaning, sa next slide, ayan, we really have to say yes to good nutrition as we are awarded with a seal of product quality and recognized us as super brand in the Philippines. What you see in the label is what you get inside all the products you buy. Okay, and with that, thank you po. Back to you, Coach Jane. Salamat po. Sana may natutunan po kayo.
Thank you po, Coach Liza, for that informative topic for today. Ayan. So, salamat po everyone sa pag-join po. So, see you po everyone bukas. Same time, 7 a.m. po to 8